5 coolest bird in the world. Number 1. Scarlet Macaw. One of the largest of the macaw species and a very popular pet. They are native to Central and South America and can live up to 50 years on average. The Scarlet Macaw is known to be very loud, can learn to talk and learn tricks. Number 2. Blue and Yellow Macaw. Also known as blue and gold macaw, these beautiful birds can also live up to 50 years. They reach a length from the top of its head to the tip of its tail of 84 centimeters 33 in size and weigh 1 kilogram. Just like other macaws, the blue and gold macaw can learn to talk. Number 3. Hyacinth Macaw. A parrot native to Central and Eastern South America. With a length of about 100 centimeters, 3.3 feet, it is longer than any other species of parrot and is the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species. Number 4. African Grey. Also known as the grey parrot, this beautiful bird is found in the rainforests of West and Central Africa. Experts regard it as one of the most intelligent birds in the world. They feed primarily on palm nuts, seeds, fruits, and leafy matter. Their overall gentle nature and their ability to mimic speech have made them popular pets around the world. Number 5. Cockatiel. Also known as the Aquarium, the cockatiel is the smallest member of the cockatoo family, native to Australia. The cockatiel is a very popular pet in households throughout the world.